Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to show you different hairstyles that you can create at your own places without visiting any expensive hair salons. All these hairstyles are so beautiful, so simple that you will be able to create these looks at your own places. You can save a lot of money and you can save your time as well. All these hairstyles are inspired from the classical braids, the classical buns, the fishtails, and you are done. These hairstyles are very simple, very easy. Some may look complicated, but they are not in actual. Some might be a little bit complex, but you will be able to make them well because we have just shown the tidbits and the tricks by which you can create these hairstyles at your own places. All you just need are some hair accessories like the hairpins, these casual rubber bands, the Jura pins, or we can say the bun pins, and a comb with a mask. You can just try to make all these hair looks. These hairstyles are of best suited for the different length hair. Some are best suited for the long length, some for short, some for the medium one. So stay tuned and watch the video till end so that you will be able to create a variety of the hairstyles at your own places. Let's have a look for the first hairdo that here we are going to discuss. This is so nice and so easy. It's all inspired from the simple Jura one. You might require some fancy hairpins if you want to give it a fancy tint. Otherwise, you can just place a casual hairpins. Let's have a look for this hairstyle. First, you just have to take some of the hair from two different ends and fix them at the proper position using the rubber band. Give them the internal twist. Rest of the hair is again tied up and it's converted into the braids that are two in number and roll it into the pin. Let's have a look for this hairstyle. Again, you just have to take some of the hair strands from the two different sides and fix them at the proper position using the rubber band. Give the internal twist. Again, make the classical braid and fix it properly using the fancy hairpin. Let's have a look for this one. First make a ponytail, the over ponytail. After that give the internal twist, bind another rubber band, again internal twist, loosen some of the hair strands. You just have to make the some of the internal twists and then decorate using some fancy pins. Now we will share another type of the hairdo. For this you just have to first make the lower ponytail and see how I'm inserting the rubber band. You can just pause the video so that you don't get confused. Let's have a look for the another hairstyle. This one is again very simple, best suited for the medium length hair. You just have to take some of the hair strands but tie it up not at the center but towards the poles and then give the internal twist. Rest of the hair is tied up, again give it the internal twist and fix it at the proper position. Thank you.